guys, my name is April and today I'm showing you how to make these nautical style candle holders. We are actually going to the Oregon coast in a couple of weeks and I'm really excited, and I normally do farmhouse style videos every week, but I'm kind of in the mood for coastal, so I saw these on Pinterest and I thought they were so cute and I thought they looked really easy, and I really do like that style as well. I just don't use it in my home normally. I'm just obsessed with farmhouse style. So hope you enjoy, and again, thank you guys so much for all of your nice comments. I hope that you enjoy and I hope that this inspires you to make one too. Bye guys. So I'm going to start by showing you all of the supplies that you'll need. I did get everything at the Dollar Tree: wine glasses, white candles, jute twine, different colored bags of sand. They have many different colors. Those little starfish are in the kids' toy section. They have different bags of seashells, and then the paper plates. So the first thing that I start doing is wrapping the jute twine around the wine glass. And you don't need to hot glue it all the way around, just at the beginning and the end before you cut it. Next, we're going to wrap the jute twine around the stem. And again, you don't have to do it like I did here. You can just hot glue it when you start and then wrap it around and then hot glue it at the end and then cut the string. And now we're doing the candle, and you'll see here what I mean, where you just have to hot glue the beginning circle and then you can just wrap it around and kind of scoot it down with your fingers and then hot glue it at the very end just to keep it all together before you cut it. And now we're just going to measure our paper plate and cut the circle, so that way when we put sand inside it doesn't fall out. And you don't need to use the whole bag of sand. I just like the way it looks when the sand is just kind of barely above the jute twine. I didn't show it, but I did paint my little starfish white. Here I'm just dumping out the shells and then sorting through them so that I can choose the ones that I like. Then we're going to hot glue the top on after we put those inside. And then you just kind of shake it around until they're sitting in a way that you can see them. Here I'm just showing you the paint that I used to paint the little starfish, and I just hot glued them on the front. Really super easy, but I think it adds such a cute detail. And that's it, you guys. This was a lot of fun. I hope you enjoyed this project, and I will see you next time. Bye!